Other installations. To reiterate, the following manifolds, brackets, hoses, tubing, wiring, safety guarding, etc. are presented in no particular order, but do pay attention to detail. In most cases, the hydraulic hoses, pneumatic lines, lubrication lines, and electrical wiring should be installed after all other components are installed, but before the safety guarding is put in place. Mount the traverse manifold and brace to the non-operator moving platen. This unit will have hydraulic and electrical connections. Mount stationary core manifold to the non-operator side of the stationary platen. This unit will have hydraulic and electrical connections. Mount tonnage manifold on top of pancake platen. It is important to note that mounting bolts are with the manifold. This unit will have hydraulic and electrical connections. Mount tonnage hose bracket with hoses to top of the pancake platen. This unit will have hydraulic connections. Mount steel tubing from both non-operator and operator traverse cylinders to the traverse manifold. Mount optional water manifold to the non-operator side of the stationary platen. This unit will have water hoses to connect. Mount optional water manifold to the non-operator side of the moving platen. This unit will have water hoses to connect. Mount lock bracket and manifold to the back of the pancake platen. This unit will have hydraulic connections. Mount optional tie rod puller manifold to operate tie rod lock and tie rod collar lock to the non-operator stationary platen. This unit will have hydraulic and electrical connections. Mount optional tie rod puller cylinder bracket, brace, and counterweight bracket to the non-operator tie rod support bracket. This unit will have hydraulic and electrical connections. Mount lock nut lube manifolds, one per lock nut, and will be labeled. This unit will have lubrication lines connected. Mount skate lube manifolds, one per side for pancake platen skates. This unit will have lubrication line connections. Mount skate lube manifolds, one per side for moving platen skates. This unit will have lubrication line connections. Connect pneumatic line to jam bar air cylinder found on the non-operator side of the moving platen. Mount the hydraulic and water line side run to the non-operator base rail. The side run has leveling pads to ensure it is level. This unit will have hydraulic, water, electrical, pneumatic, and lubrication line connections. Mount the cat track to the non-operator base rail and to the side run. The cat track has leveling pads to ensure it is level. This unit will have hydraulic, water, electrical, and lubrication line connections. Mount lubricator panel to the non-operator stationary platen. This unit will have electrical and lubrication line connections. Mount stationary control box panel to the lubricator panel on non-operator stationary platen and adjust the two leveling screws. This unit will have electrical connections. Mount control station filler panel to the operator side of the stationary platen. Mount control panel with operator station panel with operation station swivel bar. Route wiring through the swivel bar, mount the operator station control, and wire the control. Mount moving core box on top of the moving platen. Mount purge shield and purge shield door to the stationary platen. Start connecting hydraulic, pneumatic, electrical, and lubrication line connections from the injection unit to the side run on the non-operator side of the machine, and to all of the manifolds. Please remember to ensure all plugs in the hoses are removed, and the lines are kept clean to prevent dirt and debris from entering the hoses. Ensure all fittings have O-rings that are free of nicks. Use proper torque values and mark fittings with a paint marker once they are properly torqued.